Okay guys, I am pretty much done with this alien and it's been quite a process. It's interesting that a lot of the gray alien mythology is kind of half human, half lizard-like. So if you look up reference for the grays, you'll see various conceptual ideas, but this is the idea. It's mainly like a large head, humanoid features, some with a little bit of a cross for a lizard. For the ear holes, I was wondering what kind of ears I should give them, and I just decided to give them holes instead of the actual ears that we have. I think if you were to put ears on a alien like this, it might look like a bit of an elf. And the body, if you look at the body itself, this is a platform, but I think once I scan it in 3D, I'm probably going to make him have some sort of platform like a Roman emperor. I was actually thinking about sculpting another one in clay, water clay, but instead of just the nude type of figure with, without the alien outfits, I was thinking about giving him a toga. So I don't really know if that's a good idea. Maybe you can help me by writing in the comments below what you think. And so far the next thing to do is really just kind of do some finishing touches, and then I will be 3D scanning it and then putting it up for you guys to download. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the series on the sculpting the alien, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you.